Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD is definitely drifting down a little bit. The dollar index is definitely drifting down a little bit. Now, we have to keep in mind that this could just break out to the bottom side, so keep an eye out for that. But on the higher time frames, we are in a pretty rangy market on this one. We have a pretty significant base channel going on here. I still think at some point it needs to go up to finish off a wave C before it actually continues the downtrend. I still think this is a 1-2 and eventually make a big wave 3. But this wave 3 potentially is still several weeks out. So I still think at some point we are going to get a bigger push up to finish off the wave C of wave 2. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up right here is a break of structure, and it is 5 ways up, as you can see. So I'm thinking that maybe this is going to be an ABC correction. Maybe this is just a very overlapping pattern, and this right here really is an ABC correction. So if it does, bounce off the bottom of this channel, making a pulse move up, then it probably would end up making its way up to finish off this A, B, C of wave B. So, like I said, we are definitely in a very rangy market. It almost kind of seems to me like if we zoom out on the 1 hour time frame, it'd probably be easier to explain because I think this right here is an A. I think this is an A, and I think this is an A. So it's like three A's in a row. And then a wave B, and then potentially up for wave C, and then down for the bigger wave C to finish off the wave B, and then potentially back up for the bigger wave C. And that would be your big wave A, your big wave B, and then your big wave C, which likely would be the ABC of 2. Definitely a very complex, dragged out, overlapping pattern, but corrections are very overlapping, very messy sometimes. I think that it is likely going to play out something like this. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.